Hey guys, X-Chain here, and today we're back with some more Subway Surfers, New York City. And the New York City update. Let's get straight in. I don't know. Our goal is to try and unlock Tricky today in this video, by the way. Yes. Let's get in. By the way, I've been playing a little more. I know what I'm doing. About one of the keys on. But I don't want to go to Hawaii right now. Sorry. Excuse me. I have a little bit of the cold today and the shivers. Okay, so let's do this, guys. Let's keep doing this until we fight to the very end. Okay guys, so we're doing pretty good on this. So let's get to the fun. Oh man, I didn't catch that letter. Oh no. Am I contagious? Okay, I'm excited. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, so I now unfortunately have 4 keys. Oh yeah, baby. We're doing so good right now. Oh, I thought I was gonna die there for a second. Or later. This is why I'm wasting money for a mystery box. Yes. I'm scoring some big bucks here. Oh yeah. Okay, so let's do this. New high score. Not right now. 2,000 coins. You joking me? Let's see if we can win for it. Nope, it's another 1,000 bag of coins. Let's do this again, shall we? No rewards. Oh yeah. Please be honest. Yeah, it's a stereo. He's hat. We unlocked Tricky today. Oh yeah, we unlocked Tricky. It's multiplier day. Let's see how we do. The more the merrier. Oh yeah. I got 10 keys. Oh yeah. Okay, so let's do this. Because you know it's gonna be pretty long, right? I'm not gonna lie. Drinking multiplier. What's this? Oh. Let's use my hoverboard and let's find out. Okay, so let's do this. Let's keep doing this until a fight. You know, at the very end. Oh man, we are talking. We are talking, dog. We are talking. Oh, sorry. On my computer, I was just saying. Okay, let's do this. Okay, we are gonna be doing pretty good because it's the last game. Oh yeah, I'm breaking the world record. Jetpack. It can't be broken now. I just broke the world record, I think. I'm the Subway champion. Subway champion. Oh yeah, uh-huh. I'm doing so good. Oh yeah. Oh wow. Another jetpack. Oh yeah. Okay guys, that's all for today's Subway Surfers New York City video. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. For now, peace.